are going to remove the steering wheel airbag. From YouTube, it says that there are two clips, left side, right side, because sport one with the paddle shifters. There's a crease in the steering wheel right here. It's built in. You insert it, push, and then you push it on the airbag, pull out. It should come out. So we're going to find out. So this is what the back of the airbag looks like here. You get your two clips, and then on the inside here you have your retainers here and here. And on the back side we were pushing on the back of it, pushing that way, so it moved out of the way so your hooks could release. You pull up on one side of the retainer easily, and then you're supposed to pull up on the back side and release it. And it pops out. And if you'll see the top, this little piece right here pops up and then it comes out. Now to remove this one, I'm going to do light pressure on this side, just enough to get that to pop up. Here it is. I'm going to lightly just put the screwdriver in and twist it up and out. Perfect. Let me guess. These airbag retainers are rivets.
Alright guys, so today we're going to try and get the headliner removed, and we're going to try and reinforce the backing with a little bit of fiberglass. I looked in the forums and said it would work, so we'll see if we can kind of skin graft some of these broken areas that the airbag kind of ruined. So stick around and we'll see what happens. So first we're going to remove the actual fabric from the lining, and hopefully it's not too bad underneath. The foam looks pretty ruined, but we'll see. So I realized that if you just bend like, I don't know, a quarter of them back without having to ruin the other ones, you can pretty much slide it out pretty easy. No problem there. So after taking a good look at it, it looks like there's not too many really broken places, just some crease spots. So I think the skin graft method is going to work great. We're going to go ahead and fiberglass first so that it's really nice and supported, so that when we go to get to sanding off all this extra residue and foam on the backside, it's not bending and trying to break even more. So see what happens. Step one, gloves. It's really, really bad right there. This is the worst part. So we got the Bondo fiberglass repair kit here. Never used it. Did a little bit of YouTube research today, so we'll see if I do a good job or not. And they lied to me and said it came with a paintbrush, which it did not. I'm not using this crap. I like the mesh more. Alright, so we got our fiberglass here. I'm going to go ahead and try and like pre-stage it a little bit. Get ourselves a pre-cut. And I don't mind there being a little excess over the edge, because I'm going to use my Dremel tool and get it fit real nicely. For the stuff you want to work in small batches, because you don't want to leave your cup full of resin. Okay, I guess we'll get started here.